How to track a loved one's flight in real time with Flighty App. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store, tap on the search bar, and search for Flighty. Now tap on Flighty Flight Tracker, and now click on Install. Now tap on Open. Now select your language and click on Apply. Now click on Flights to track the flight in live time. Now tap on Airports, select your airport, and choose the flight you want to track. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or search topic? Drop down the comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.